So welcome back to this edition of ROV Meditation Practice Tips. And this week, Stephen and I continue our series on reducing anxiety using the 2 primary skills and 7 steps of subtle energy meditation. And today we focus on conquering anxiety by shifting focus. And this relates to the step of subtle energy meditation, concentration into absorption. So if we go back to revisit our basic premise about anxiety, that anxiety is the result of the way we're looking at a situation that we're facing. We're looking at it in a way where the situation feels big and our resources to handle the situation feel small. And so whenever we feel anxiety, we're not going to change that by controlling what's happening around us, because what's happening around us is the result of infinite factors that are beyond our control. But what we can control is our relationship to that, what we bring to the situation and how we're thinking about it. So when you start to feel anxiety, if you can pause and notice how you're thinking about the situation, notice the thoughts that are going through your mind that are creating a point of view, a relationship with the situation that is causing you anxiety or stress. So if you can pause and just be that curious observer and notice how you're thinking and feeling. And then sometimes just by noticing how you're thinking and noticing, oh, that's a disempowering way of thinking, that's enough to help you make a different choice and choose a different focus. But other times, the way you're thinking feels really sticky. And it's just, no matter how much you try to shift your focus, that way of thinking that's causing anxiety just keeps coming back and it keeps coming back, and it's hard to shake that. So today we're going to talk about how to use concentration, specifically concentration on deep breathing in your lower abdomen, to absorb into a state of relaxation that enables you, that shifts your focus and enables that anxiety producing way of thinking to just kind of fade to the background so that you can welcome new possibilities in a situation, new ways of thinking about it. So Stephen's going to guide us now in this simple practice of deep breathing, focus and concentration in the lower abdomen. So Stephen, I'll pass it over to you for a little practice.
Thank you very deeply, Kevin, and love and gratitude to everybody who's listening to this. Yeah, Kevin, I just wanted to support this power of breathing in the belly, breathing in the abdomen, that whole lower dantian area. I've been in many sessions this week with clients who are feeling a lot of anxiety or confusion about what's present at the moment. And you notice when people feel that confusion, their energy goes to their head, and they're looking up, or they're trying to make sense of things, and pain, headaches, tension in the jaw, all of those kinds of symptoms develop. And when you keep guiding, so I found it so simply beneficial for all these people to keep guiding them down to this breath. So even as they're listening and they start to work through the process, that they guide them back down into the belly, back into those deep breaths in that lower dantian, really helps them to ground and get out of the head. Because of course the self-generated anxiety and tension, it flows and creates a lot of energy in the head that's difficult to deal with. So our practice today is to bring us down from that. So I'll get you wherever you are, just simply to relax with Kevin and I, and just slightly close your eyes, and for a moment just be still with us and check in inside and notice your posture. And using interoception, just notice how you feel right now. And as we've been instructing over a number of these videos, we want you to check in constantly with presence. You can check in now with the soles of your feet, that they're grounded, that you can feel the earth in your feet and the energies of the earth flowing up into your legs. And your palms are cupped in your lap, so you can feel the tips of the thumbs touching lightly. You bring this sense of the hands being so light and so gentle and so soft. Your head and neck are relaxed. And your spine has this sense of clarity and uprightness, as if there's a string pulling your head to the top of the ceiling above you. And your chin's tucked slightly and your tongue's relaxed. It's a lovely way to check in with calmness, just to check in with your tongue. How is it doing? Is it feeling calm and relaxed? You might notice even sitting upright like this makes you feel very alert and relaxed at the same time. And then you smile. It's a real smile of gratitude. It's gratitude in your heart for everything in your life. You feel this in every cell of your body. And this beautiful smile washes down your body. Washes right down and into your belly, into the lower abdomen. You begin to breathe slowly and deeply. This powerful regularity of your breathing. You become aware of the sensations here. Simply welcoming any sensations. Breathing in, feeling the gentle expansion of your abdomen, and breathing out. Feeling the gentle relaxation of your abdomen inwards. Breathing in. Feeling this gentle expansion of your abdomen. Breathing out. Feeling the gentle relaxation inwards. See if you can let this breathing happen naturally and effortlessly, as if you're letting go into the feelings, the sensations of breathing like this in the lower abdomen. As you breathe in, notice how calm the sensations are. As you start to relax into this deep breath. It's almost as if you're breathing calmness itself with every inward breath. You might connect with calmness like a quality, as if it's flowing in on the inward breath, and if it's as if it's flowing out on the outward breath. It's a really beautiful sense of this breathing in your lower abdomen, a sense of calm, peace. Breathing in. And breathing out. Breathing in. Breathing out. A sense of calmness and peace seems endless. There's no boundary, just simply this vast calmness and everlasting peace. a beautiful opportunity just to rest in this calmness and peace. Just rest here in this silence and stillness, this vast spaciousness of calm and peace for a few moments in absolute silence. Slowly open your eyes into this beauty and calm and peace. As you open your eyes, continue to breathe this calm, tranquility, and peace. As you continue to breathe this calm, peaceful, tranquil breath in your lower abdomen. With this gentle focus in your lower abdomen, continuing. Feel every movement as you move with this sense of beauty and calm and peace. As you take a look around, you notice that all the details in your world are smiling at you with the same calm, tranquility, and peace. There's a sense as if the molecules of space itself are vibrating with this calmness and peace, as if the space itself is saturated with calmness and peace and tranquility. So notice how you feel and bring this opportunity of calmness and peace. Bring this opportunity to live every moment of your day from this stable inner foundation of calmness and peace, from this inner focus on your lower abdomen. Whenever you go here throughout your day, whenever you begin to breathe these deep, slow abdomen breaths, you'll be able to connect right back into this foundation, this changeless, always present foundation of this calm, tranquility, and peace. Thank you always, Kevin, for your beautiful guidance and Beautiful introductions and practice. Thank you, everybody, for the beauty of your presence and the wonders of this very simple focus on your lower abdomen and the power of calmness and tranquility that's always present.
Thank you, Stephen. Thank you for that beautiful practice. And thank you all for watching and practicing along with us. So take this deep peace anchored and centered in your lower abdomen and see with fresh eyes, see from this place. And notice that whatever you're facing has a different feel to it now. And there's new possibilities, new ways of thinking available. Bye for now.